on SS 125, that is the street of the coast, and we are going in one of the most beautiful beach of Sardinia to me, and also for Matteo.
And Frida.
And Frida. Frida is our dog, but it's black, so it's just artistic hair.
She's
Frida. Hello, Frida. So we are in the area. We are just before OROSEI. We are in the area of the Sea Scola, and the beach we are visiting today is BIDDEROSA. It's a natural protected area and is composed by 5 different beaches. We always go there because it's very, very wide. So now I try to show you, even if we are driving, the landscape around. There is wonderful. And I think in less than 5 minutes we will be in BIDDEROSA, and we will show you how is the sea and what's around. The best of this street is that around you I have only nature and maritime pines and a lot of pink flowers, and also mountains, because the main characteristic of this part of the coast is that you have mountains on the sea, so it's very, very wild. Okay, now we are at the entrance. You see where you see the signal for OROSEI, and we can read Cantiere BIDDEROSA. So let's go. We have to say that you have to pay parking, because for the beach, per le spiagge, you have to pay parking, and it's kind of 20 euros the parking, and then €1 per person. But it's a fantastic experience. Okay, so now we are going to choose our best beach of the 5 beaches of BIDDEROSA. Okay guys, here we are in the park of BIDDEROSA, and from the place in which you make the tickets to enter, you have to do this road, and it's are some kilometers to go. So if you want, you can also go by feet. But in summer it's very hard, because it's very, very hot, and it's beautiful. If you come here in spring, you have a lot of routes to make trekking and make bird watching, or go directly to the sea. And now today we are going, of course we are in Egos, so we are going by car, and we are going to the beach. I think to the first beach of BIDDEROSA. Okay, we are still on the road, and this is the lagoon behind the beaches of BIDDEROSA. Can you see the colors? Wonderful, simply wonderful. After 10 minutes by car, we arrived in Oasi number 1. This is the parking, and we can see, finally we can see the beach. Finally we are arrived in the first beach of BIDDEROSA, and we are here till 11, something like that. We are relaxing a lot, and I want to show you how clean is the water and the colors. Also the landscape that's behind is wonderful, because there are a lot of trees. Can you see it? Now we are going in the direction of the swimming pool, and you will see what I'm talking about. I want to end this video with the fantastic images of the swimming pools. I call it swimming pools because they are, it's kind, you really, the water is not so deep, but it's completely, you see the clearness. Oh my god, simply this is the paradise, guys. So now I'm going to have some coffee, because we said, you know, is in this natural protected area. There are not a lot of services, but it is wonderful. It's wonderful, not because there are no services, but it's wonderful anyway, you know, where you can't find houses, where you can't find the restaurants, and a lot of people. Nature is like that, so we like it a lot. Okay, see you next time in another wonderful place of Sardinia. This is BIDDEROSA. If you need some information to reach BIDDEROSA, when is better to go to BIDDEROSA, and also for the bookings, because to go to BIDDEROSA, each day can enter only a specific number of people, okay? And so maybe if you are coming in August, you have to book before. Bye bye!